Well, hello everyone. Welcome to day 18 of solving SQL. Today we are going to solve the problem immediate food delivery 2. It is a medium level problem and there is one table for this problem and it has four columns. Delivery ID is the primary column. So this table holds the information about a food delivery service. So for a customer ID is the ID of the customer, and each customer will order some food on a particular date, and customer preferred delivery date. This column will hold the information about the preferred delivery date of the customer. Okay, so this is the information that this table will hold. Now if the customer preferred delivery date is same as the order date, that means that order is called immediate, otherwise it is called scheduled. Okay, and first order of a customer is the date on which the customer ordered the first order. Okay, so it is the mean of the order date for each customer. Okay, then it is guaranteed that a customer has precisely one first order, so every customer will have at least one order, precisely guaranteed. It is in the table. So write a solution to find the percentage of immediate orders in the first order of all customers. So for all the first orders of the customers, we have to find which orders are immediate orders. What is the percentage of immediate orders? That is, order ID and customer preferred delivery date is same in all the first orders of the customer ID. Okay, so resolve the formula in the following. Okay, let us look at the example here. So customer ID 1 is 2 times, and the order date here is 1st August and again 11 August. So this is the first order date, and it is not equal to customer prefers date, therefore this is scheduled. So customer ID 1 will have scheduled. Then again customer ID 2, this is 2nd August, and customer ID 2 is here. So this is 11th August. So this will be the first order date, and it is equal to customer preferred date, therefore this will be immediate. So customer ID 1 will be scheduled, customer ID 2 will be immediate. Then customer ID 3, this is 24th August, then this is 21st August. So this will be considered, this is the first order, and this is not equal to customer preferred delivery date. So this is your schedule, not immediate. Then number 4 is only one row is there for number 4. Okay, so this will be considered, this is the first delivery date, sorry, first order date, and it is same as the customer preferred delivery. So this order will be immediate. So number 1 will be what? Scheduled. Number 2 will be immediate, and number 3 will be also scheduled, and number 4 will be immediate. So 2 out of 4 is immediate. So immediate percentage will be 50%. Okay, so this is the explanation. Okay, I hope you have understood the explanation. Try to solve the problem. Go to LeetCode, try to solve the problem. You can use subquery and also CTA. Okay, so how to solve the problem? Let me do it by CTE, then I will do it by also by subquery. Okay, so when I'm going to use the CTE, I have to join, and if I use the subquery, I do not have to use the join. So that is the condition. So I can write with, suppose CTES. So in the CTE, I want the customer ID and minimum order date. So customer ID and minimum of order date. As suppose min date from the, sorry, I have not written the select clause here. From the delivery table. Okay, and I have to do a group by. So this is my city. Now I hope you know what this will result. I can show you. Start from, so from the city I will get for each customer ID the minimum order date. that I will get. See, for each customer ID, there is a minimum. Now, if I join this table, join city with the original table delivery, suppose D, on what? On C dot customer ID equal to O dot customer ID or customer ID and C dot min date must be equal to O dot, not O, just D, right? D dot order date. So if I do this, I will get all the information regarding the first order for each customer. So there's some error here. It's a join. I have to do the join here. So I got all the information. Now I have to check whether the order date and the customer preferred delivery date are equal or not. Okay. So what I want, uh, let me show you one thing. What this, I can write a case when statement or simply this. Let me show you. If I write case when, suppose case when C dot min date suppose equal to O dot, oh, sorry, not O, D dot customer preferred delivery date. Suppose this, then suppose 1, okay, else what? Else 0. And as suppose flag, flag. Okay. Suppose this is the case when, this is one case when statement. So let me run the statement. Let me show you what is the output. So this is giving me 0101. This same output can be obtained without using case when also. If I don't use case when, because since there is only one row, right? Or only one condition. So I can write here without all of this. I can simply do this. Let me run. See, 0101. So even if I don't use the case one, because of this, this will return me either true or false. If it is true, it will return me 1. If it is false, it will return me 0 automatically. Okay. If it is false, it will return me 0. If it is 1, it will return me 1. So I don't have to use a case when statement here. Okay. I can just use this. Now, in the output, if I do an average, I will get my result. I will get my result. If I do an average of this column, if I do an average of this column, I will get my required result. So I am going to just do the average of this as your immediate percentage. Okay, and I'm going to round. So before going to, I round this information or the answer. I'm going to multiply it by 100. Why? Because average will return the result in a fraction, but I need the percentage, so I have to multiply by 100. Okay, I can show you also without multiplying the 100 what will be the result. Then let me multiply. So I need to round this table, right? Round. Okay, round average of this into decimal places. Okay, so let me run this, then I will multiply by 100 with 0.5. So now if I multiply by 100, this part multiply by 100, so this will give me 50. Okay, this give me 50, accept. So now the query is finished. Okay, if I submit this, it got accepted 95%, highest I think. Okay, So I hope you have understood the solution, and I can do the same problem without the city also. Okay, let me show you that part also. So if I don't use city here, I'm not using city, so I don't have to join with anything. I don't have this. Okay, I don't have this too. I can just use the delivery. Suppose D. Then I don't have a join here. I don't have a join here. Okay, so there will not be any min date, right? There will be only order date. Here, order date only. Order date will be there and not be here. And customer prefers. So order date and customer preferred date must be equal. Now, which order date? Okay, so which order date I have to filter the condition where the customer ID, customer, what was the column name? Customer ID, right? Customer ID and the order date must be in. There is a subquery here. Select. I have to select the customer ID. Then the minimum of uh, order date from the delivery table. Then I have to do a group by. So if I do only this part, because this is a subquery, this will return me the same thing that my city returned. Then I will filter my this table with this subquery. I filtered the data. Now in this table now, since after the filtering, what will I have? I will have the customer ID and or minimum order date of each customer ID. Only that part. And then I will check this condition, order date and customer preferred date is 1 or not. Then it will result me either 1 or 0. Then I am going to average the value, multiply by 100. Then I am going to round the answer. So if I run this, this will also return me the same result. So if I submit it, this will also work. But it's giving 62. Let me resubmit. 80. So I hope you have understood this part of the solution also. So one problem can be done in many ways. Maybe there are some other ways you can solve this problem also. So if you have any other ways to solve this problem, you can comment it at the comment section. And if you have any doubt regarding the solutions, you can also comment it on the comment section. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video.